Okay, so what we're going to be doing now, I have palpated, the kind of fat deposits we have here. And one of the things I'm happy about is we have soft fat here. So I like that. But then it's a mixture. You have softer down here and then you have tougher up here. We also do have some kind of deposit here, fat deposit. Now, this is a client that I have worked on, and I do know cavitation works so great on her. So I do that. I also am gonna do the radio frequency skin tightening, because again, we want to tighten the skin and also be lifting it up. So one of the things that I love to do is, why is my thing not on? It's not on. Okay, is it on now? Yes. So we are going to put some of this here. I've manually stimulated you. And so we are going to do our, now again, as usual, you're gonna feel this cavitation. Some people feel it in their teeth. Some is your ear.
I think we've done this before.
Yeah, we have. So I'm just gonna, and this is, I just want to do this even before we go on to our wrap. Oh yeah, sorry about that. What did you feel?
Just in my ear.
In your ear?
Yeah,
okay.
Just this one.
Just okay.
So that's the one I'm happy.
Oh, wow, imagine that. Okay. So essentially what I'm doing now is I'm breaking fat deposits. Okay. And I am also, as I'm doing that, I'm also, it's not so much just placing the machine on them, but you also want to have the technique to manipulate the lymphatic system and also the fat underneath. Okay, so this is the cavitation, the ultrasonic cavitation. Now you probably cannot hear it through the screen.
Yeah, I can.
Yes, my client hears it, I hear it also, but I will tell you it's louder for you than for me.
Mm-hmm.
Now, there are people who say, well, my cavitation machine makes noise. It should make noise. It's okay for it to make noise. Now, if you see what I'm doing, do you see there is a technique that I'm using, and this has worked for me. I call it the Nurse Amy technique. It's worked for me to help not only losing the fat but reduce it. Okay, so there is it's not enough to just put the machine on them, but there is a technique also. You've got to know the technique. So this is the ultrasonic cavitation. And this is part of the mommy makeover treatments you'll be getting. Okay, now we call it mommy makeover. Men have fat deposits they want to get rid of. So we can call it daddy makeover too, okay? So just because we call it mommy makeover doesn't mean that guys don't use it, okay? Everybody has stubborn fats they want to get rid of. So that's ultrasonic cavitation.